So here's Kajabi app. So let's just tap get and then double click to install, and then your Kajabi library on the go. Enjoy on the go access to your library of courses from Kajabi creators, all in one convenient place. Watch and listen to digital media, including course content and more. The app even saves your progress so that you can always pick up where you left off. Inside the Kajabi mobile app, you can access all your Kajabi courses without remembering your password. Obviously, search for contents for all of your courses at once, see updates for all your products, explore topics in your Kajabi community, save your favorite posts so you can quickly find them later. So as you can see, it says great app. So yeah, you can just open it up. Then you can just tap sign in and then just create an account from here. So yeah, it's pretty cool app. This is where you can find plenty of different courses, pick up where you left off, one-click access, stay connected, keep momentum. So yeah, that's what it is. So that's the idea.